little marks on our adventures. Our next step on our New York journey was at Lake Placid. We visited the town of Lake Placid, and it was really crowded the day we were there, so we don't have any footage of our visit there. The shops were cute, it was under construction. But then we ventured to the Olympic training centers, which were very intriguing, and even though they weren't open to the fullest because we just kind of did it spur of the moment, there were lots of unique things to see. We stopped at the luge training center, and you'll have to go online if you want to visit there, but there is the option for a tour there. There's a mountain biking course if you took your own bikes that you could ride there in the facility. Then we tried to go to White-Faced Mountain, which are some of these photos, and it was really pretty, but again, not open for visitors. And here's some of the scenery as we were driving to and from there.
Again, it was a rainy, overcast day. Lots of fog in the mountains, and the surrounding area was pretty fogged in a lot. Here's the picture of the driving up towards the ski jump area, and what a sight that is to see this huge complex.
$20 for adult, $15 for juniors and seniors.
How are you? Oh, he's got him, sorry.
Okay, keep those handy to the elevator. He'll need to see him up there. I'll get you in right here.
You might be able to see. So you can ride backwards. Okay.
Up and away.
So we're in the sky ride at the Lake Placid
Ski
jump training center. It's all under construction, like the landing area, and I'll show you that as we go. But we just got in the gondola, we're headed, see if I can show you, way up there. Obviously you'll be able to see it when we get going. Maybe if the clouds and the rain will go off long enough. But there's the construction, and the landing portion is under construction.
See a dark thing?
You can as you get to it. What do you mean, ahead of us? Yeah.
Wow, look underneath us.
Yeah.
That's a baby ski jump there.
Me. That's for me. What's that? Just with people. We're really high right now.
Imagine jumping in just skis off of there down to there.
No, I can't imagine being that guy in that excavator working that wheel.
Yeah, right there. I don't know if you can you tell what those are. They're like on the side of this major steep cliff right there working. We should have asked what they're doing because nobody's really said or have we seen any information about it.
Just it's our renovation. That was about it.
So we just ride it on this back down.
You can get off and take the elevator to the very top of the jump. You gotta see how high it is when you come this far. You guys gotta get ready to get.
As you can see, it's under construction. They're upgrading the ski jumps so that they can meet today's standards. Also, it allows them to host collegiate events. It was open. We were able to go to the top of the ski jump. That's the ski jump that we were able to go up in is 120 meters, roughly 300 feet up. And as you can see, you get quite a view in the from the top of the ski jump.
And if you get the opportunity, it is worth the money to go to the top because it's unlike anything. I mean, it just gives you a different perspective. You know, you watch the jumping on TV, but it's nothing like seeing the height and how far that jump is that you just cannot grasp from the TV. It's just a different perspective that you need to see. So here along the side of the ski jump is just like a practice training area, and there were some young middle schoolers there training and just doing their practice jumps into a pool. It was interesting to watch.
We'll leave you with some footage or pictures of the area. Again, we enjoyed it. Wish the weather cooperated with us better, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Please like and subscribe.